Alright, everyone, welcome to the sixth part of this series. Right off the bat, you'll notice that this part isn't a live recording. That's because the reshaping process can be too long, and I wouldn't want to put you through 2 hours of humming. So, this video is sped up for quick communication purposes. I hope this won't be an issue. Should we need a more deliberate reshaping tutorial, please let me know in the comments. To begin this tutorial, I'll show you how I arrange the Lara X and Reborn kits into my working women kits folder. I seriously wanted to add the Weifu variant for Reborn, but for the sake of this video, I didn't. But if you want my recommendation, yes, I highly recommend doing both variants of the Reborn body when you can. You can also add the juicy variants, but as I said in part 2 of this series, those only make sense when you're creating items that have a sort of grip around those areas. Moving on to the actual reshaping, there really isn't much to teach here. All you have to do is import the clothing item into your scene and reshape it using the proportional editing feature in Blender that you can toggle by pressing O on your keyboard. You can bounce back and forth between the connected only option as desired. For the Lara X body specifically, since the default pose is different from the default pose of the legacy body, I first had to modify the pose to a regular closed-legged A pose before finalizing with my rigging. I have done this process multiple times on this channel and equally have a dedicated video for it, though that one was done using an IMVU avatar. Let me know in the comments if you want this process to have a dedicated video, but this time with a Second Life avatar. When it came to the solidification and exporting, the process was just like we had it in the fourth part of this series. I'll admit that I did notice some glitches after exporting from the 2.93 version of the Reborn kit, but in Second Life the product looked just fine, so as you'll see momentarily. I have read reports about the Reborn kit specifically having issues of a sort, but I didn't experience them with my in-game import. That said, it is an easy process to convert a Devkits made with Blender 2.79 to a Blender 4.0 plus compatible Devkit. So let me know if this is an issue you're experiencing and if you'd like a visual guide to resolving it. And we're done. Here's what the products look like in the Firestorm viewer. The textures are the exact same from the bake process in part 5, so you almost never need to rebake your textures. Also, you'll notice demo markers around the avatars. This is because to just test the weight and functionality of your product, you don't need to purchase the body you wish to test for. This isn't an excuse to run around different sims with demo markers all over you though. So thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. Again, if this was a bit too fast for you and you'd need a slower version of this process, just leave a comment and I'll be sure to make one. Also, do well to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with people you feel might need information from this video. Be sure to also check out this channel for other 3D related videos that you might like. I look forward to seeing you all in future videos.